everyone, my name is Amber Pearson and today we're going to learn about water pollution. Water pollution happens when harmful waste gets put into our oceans, lakes, rivers, and other bodies of water. More than 80% of the world's wastewater flows back into the environment without being treated or reused. Water pollution causes a variety of issues. The most harmful is illness. Every year, unsafe water sickens about 1 billion people worldwide. With that being said, there are ways to make our water safer, and we will see that in this speech, along with information just about water pollution itself. There are many ways our bodies of water become polluted. Some common ways are by sewage, wastewater, agriculture, industries, marine dumping, and radioactive waste. These are all due to people not disposing of these products properly. There are also different types of water pollutants. Some are organic, inorganic, and radioactive, all of which are very harmful to humans, plant life, and animals. A couple of things that pollution affects the most is the environment and human health. Water pollution truly harms biodiversity and aquatic ecosystems. The toxic chemicals can change the color of the water and increase the amount of minerals in it, which has a huge impact on life in water. Thermal pollution, defined by a rise in the temperature of water bodies, contributes to global warming and causes serious hazard to water organisms. An example of this would be the BP oil spill in 2010. The spill caused the deaths of over 1,000 animals, which included birds, turtles, and mammals, some of which had already been on the endangered species list. Water pollution has a great effect on human health as well. A lot of disease will result from drinking or being in contact with contaminated water. Some of these diseases consist of cholera, dysentery, and skin infections. There are many things that humans can do around the world to help prevent water pollution. One way is wastewater treatment, which consists of removing pollutants from wastewater through a physical, chemical, or biological process. The more effective these processes are, the cleaner the water becomes. Another way is by green agriculture. This is where farmers limit the amount of chemicals that they use on their crops and watch the least amount of chemicals that get back into the waterways. One more way is a plastic waste reduction, which is where we need to both reduce our use of plastic globally and to improve plastic waste management. One of the movements going on now to help reduce plastic in our waterways is the strawless ocean movement. This movement gets people educated about how many straws are being used every year in the United States. And most of those end back up in our oceans and polluting the water and killing marine life. They also state that by the year 2050, there will be more plastic in the ocean than there are fish. Other ways we can make our bodies of water safer is by not consuming so many products packaged in plastic and by recycling these packages when we do have to use them. Some other ways to help with water pollution in our everyday lives is by washing our vehicles in the lawn instead of the driveways, by not pouring cooking oil or grease down the kitchen sink, and minimizing the amount of pesticides and fertilizers that we use on our lawns. All these little things add up and have a huge impact on the safety of our bodies of water and also the health of all living creatures. So, with that being said, water pollution is a worldwide problem that needs to be corrected because water is the most important natural resource to living organisms across the globe. Water is essential to life, yet water pollution is one of the most serious ecological threats we face today. Without fixing this issue, we are endangering the future of mankind and all other living creatures on Earth. That is why recycling and disposing of harmful chemicals correctly is so important. Every human has the ability to lessen the effects of water pollution by doing their part by doing these small actions to improve life on this great planet. Thank you so much for listening to my speech about water pollution, and I hope you all have a great day.
Yeah, good.